Hey guys, today we have the iPhone 16 in Ultramarine and the iPhone 16 Plus in Teal. Now I know it's so difficult to decide between the two colors, so I hope this video will be helpful for you to decide which color you like best. Let's get to unboxing. The moment I pulled the Ultramarine out of the box, I was shocked. This might be my second favorite iPhone color ever. Number one being the pink, of course. But I'm so impressed with how deep this blue is. It's a lot more of a nice ocean blue around the camera, and it's really shiny around the edges. The Ultramarine silicone case Apple has is much darker than the actual color of the phone, and I'm obsessed with this color. It's kind of purpley blue, and I think I want to buy so many things in this color. I keep saying this over and over, but I don't think I want to put a case on these. They're just too gorgeous. Now, I really didn't think I was going to like the teal, but when I took it out of the box, it looked a lot more like greeny, oceany, kind of a vibe. If you're more minimalistic, I would definitely recommend going for the teal. But if you like a little bit more of a pop of color, the Ultramarine might be the phone for you. I'm really impressed of what Apple has done with the colors this year. They're so much more vibrant and unique. Comment down below if you are team Ultramarine or if you're team teal. Now, I not only got my hands on these two gorgeous colors, but of course we have the pink. If you guys want to watch the unboxing of the pink 16 Plus, click here. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you very soon.